Hi dear friends, we have a product named WaterGuard Liquid EPDM Membrane. WaterGuard Liquid EPDM Membrane is a high performance rubber sheet which is to be applied on slabs and horizontal surfaces. It is a self-vulcanizing product with a life of 25 to 30 years. It is 100% seamless membrane because it does not have a joint. Unlike any other membranes which require 3 to 4 coats, WaterGuard Liquid EPDM membrane requires only 1 coat. No primers are required. WaterGuard EPDM liquid membrane is applied as liquid without any edge and with no extra adhesive. It is superior for waterproofing when compared with urethanes, acrylic, polyesters and other elastomers. It has working temperature at -50 degree to 180 degree Celsius. It does not degrade and has high UV resistance with high aging properties. It is corrosion resistant. WaterGuard Liquid EPDM membrane can be used on wood, plywood, cast concrete blocks, concrete pipes, metals, steel roofing, steel pipes, steel constructions, flat roof, glass, aluminium, etc. It resists for polar solvents, alkalis and acids. WaterGuard Liquid EPDM membrane is available in white and grey color. It will achieve a thickness of 40 to 60 mm micron. Application of WaterGuard Liquid EPDM membrane is as under. As WaterGuard Liquid EPDM membrane requires a watertight structure, substrates must be clean, sound and free from dust and loose particles. All the holes and cracks must be filled with a suitable filler. All the traces of oil, grease or other contaminations must be removed. Now as we find that the surface is smooth, horizontal squeegee or brush is used for spreading the material. After spreading WaterGuard Liquid EPDM membrane, short nap paint roller is used to finish the application. Steel roof and pipe application has to be done by airless spray machine suitable for industrial usage. Air and airless spray applications are also possible from WaterGuard Liquid EPDM membrane. The total curing period for this would be 7 to 10 days depending upon the temperature. If you have any queries regarding this, please do not hesitate to reach us. Thank you.